Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for video editing tips and tricks. And today I want to share with you how you would use the garbage mat in Magix Video Studio 2025 suite. So the first thing I want to do is to get rid of the green screen behind me. So let's get rid of that. That's that gone. So now we can get stuck straight in. Now I've already got Magix Movie Editor opened, so I'm just going to create a new project. And I'm going to open up a folder, which is desktop in there. Now, this is a picture that I took today of our local park, and I took it with my mobile phone. And what I want to do is I want to put the Eiffel Tower on Stretford Park in Manchester. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to drag this video down here onto the top row of the timeline, and then in my Magix Hub I've already downloaded stock footage of the Eiffel Tower. There it is. So I'm now going to drag that underneath the top video, and remember, Magix always plays the bottom row, so you'll see the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so how are we going to put that onto Stretford Park? Well, it's quite simple. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Effects, and I'm going to type into the Effects Chroma. There's Chroma Key Pro. I'm going to click on that, highlight the Eiffel Tower, and then click Apply Effect. Once you've opened that up, you need to go into the garbage mat, which is here. And then you need to enable the garbage mat by clicking on Enable. And as you can see, that's Enable the garbage mat. So what you need to do next is each of these sections here, if you move the mouse up or down, hold down the left button on the mouse, and if you drag it up and drag it down with your finger held on the left mouse button, it will move the garbage mat in accordance. So I'm going to start with the top, and what we want to do is to create this garbage mat roughly the same shape as the Eiffel Tower. So I'm going to start by dragging the top left, and I want to drag it right across there like that, and then I'm going to drag you've got X's and Y's. The X's are the sides and the Y's are the tops and bottoms. So now I'm going to do the top right, and I'm going to drag that down, and then you want to do the tops and bottoms. So I want to be top left, I'm going to drop down to about there, and then the top right to about there. I want to just adjust these slightly. I'll finalise it later on. Just lift that up a touch because I don't want to cut the top of the tower off. So that's the tops and sides done. Just a little bit more. Right, now I need to do the bottoms. So you've got your bottom left, your bottom right corners, and then obviously your bottom. So let's do the bottom left first. So I'm going to drag that up to round about there. You want to get it as close as possible to what it is that you're trying to garbage out. So about there, and then I want to do the bottoms. So I want to lift that one up, and I want to lift that one up. Okay. Right. So that's not too bad. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make that look a bit more realistic. And the way you would do that is if you move down the slider down. In fact, what I'll do, I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see it better. Okay. So now you want to go back into your garbage mat. And you've got a slider there called Feather. So I'm going to move that all the way up to get it as close as possible to the background. The sky's a bit bluer, but It's only a demonstration. So we've got that done. The next thing we're going to do is to place it where I want it. So I'm going to click the X next to the search to get rid of that chroma. And then I'm going to go into video and animation. And I'm going to click on size and effect, and I'm going to click apply. Okay, once we've got that done, we can resize it how we want it and then move it to exactly where we want it. And I want to put it about there. So we've now got the Eiffel Tower in Stretford. So what we need to do now is to make that look a bit more realistic. So I want to go into video effects, which is here, and I want to click on the AI sharpen and then click on apply. And that's that done. And you can do the same if you want for the each background. Click on apply. And that's that done. Now you go back into, you can fiddle around with it a little bit if you want to make it look a bit more professional. In this box here is where your effects that you've applied to the video are. So if you just double click the chroma key, it'll open it back up for you. There's a little slider here as well, so if you've got lots of effects, you can move it up and down to find the effect that you're looking for. So I'm going to go back into the fade. I'm going to try and get it as close as possible to the background. That's not too bad. So that is how I put Eiffel Tower in Stretford Park in Manchester. I don't think they were too pleased about that, but there you go. So what I'm going to do now is to export that. So I'm going to click on File and what I want to do is I want to export it as an image, because the Eiffel Tower bit footage is actually video footage. So if I click play, you can see it's actually footage, and it's so if you was to overlay one video over the top of another video, this is how you would do it. Okay, so now I'm going to click File, Export Movie. I want to export it as a PNG. One minute, there's a mark down the side of there, whatever that is. Let me just see what that is. That might be on the actual footage. Let me just have a quick look. Let me see. Go into size and position. Click apply. Is it on that, or is it on the Eiffel Tower bit? There you go. It's on the actual. I don't know what's happened there. It's on the picture that I took today for some strange reason. But anyway, that's got rid of that. So now I can click on File and Export Movie as a PNG. And I'm going to call it Demo, D-E-M-O, and it's going to go onto a desktop PNG. Click OK. So now when I minimize that and click on Demo, there it is. That's the Eiffel Tower on Lostock Park in Stretford. It looks not too bad actually, that. So I hope you found this video useful in your green screening and your chroma keying, and also your garbage matting. I hope you find it useful for your videos. If you do, please click on like and subscribe, and you will get notified when I make more of these videos. And thanks for watching.